Tom was running low on groceries, so he decided to visit the supermarket. He made a list of everything he needed before he left. Tom liked being organized, so he wouldn't forget anything important. His list included vegetables, fruits, dairy products, and some snacks. When he arrived at the supermarket, Tom grabbed the shopping cart and started in the vegetable section. He looked around and chose fresh carrots, some green bell peppers, and a big head of broccoli. Next, he added a few ripe tomatoes and a bag of onions. Tom loved cooking with fresh vegetables. After filling his cart with vegetables, Tom moved to the fruit aisle. He was excited to see a variety of fruits. He picked some apples and a bunch of bananas. Tom also decided to get some strawberries, as they were on sale. Then he saw a big, juicy pineapple and couldn't resist adding it to his cart. With fruits and vegetables taken care of, Tom headed over to the dairy section. He grabbed a carton of milk, a dozen eggs, and a peck of butter. He also picked out a small block of cheese, thinking it would be perfect for sandwiches. Tom continued to the snack aisle. He wanted a few treats, so he picked up a bag of chips and some chocolate cookies. He knew he should eat healthy, but a little snack once in a while was okay. Finally, Tom went to the checkout counter. The cashier smiled and asked, "Did you find everything you needed?" Tom replied, "Yes, thank you." He handed the cashier his membership card and watched as she scanned his items. The total cost was a bit more than he expected, but he knew he had bought good quality food. After paying, Tom packed his groceries into bags and left the store. He felt satisfied with his shopping and excited to go home and cook a delicious meal. Tom realized that with the right ingredients, even grocery shopping could be enjoyable.